So we'll just take a minute right now to look at the iPhone calculator and how you can enter in some values of logs and exponents and scientific notation. So first we're going to look at how you would enter 1 times 10 to the power of negative 5. So the first thing that you need to do, find the EE button right there. That's the one that replaces times 10 to the power of. So you first enter, we'll say 1, and then EE, and then if it's to the power of negative 5, you then enter your exponent. So we'll type in the 5 and then click the plus minus button up at the top to change the sign, then hit equals. 0.0001 is the same as 1 times 10 to the power of negative 5. Alright, we'll do another one just to practice that again. So if we enter, let's say we want to do 4 times 10 to the power of 3. So we click the 4, then we find the EE button, and then we'll click 3 equals 4,000, since 4 times 10 to the power of 3 is 4,000. Alright, now there might be some times when you'll be given, in pH calculations, you might be given the pH and then you have to work backwards to the concentration of hydrogen ions. So in that case, you should find the 10x button, right there, the 10x button. And you enter your pH first, and then you click the 10x button. So let's say we want to go from like 4.3 will be our exponent. So in that case, since it would be 10 to the power of negative pH, which we'll see later in the lesson, we'll enter the 4.3, change the sign by clicking the plus minus button, and then click the 10x button. And then that answer there, that's going to read out, that would read out the concentration of, that would read out the concentration of hydrogen ions. So we could do that with something else. Like let's say we want to do maybe 6.3 instead. We'll change the sign, click 10x. There we go. We could do 9.6, change the sign, 10x. There we go. And then finally, we'll look at how to take the log of something. So when you'll need to find the log base 10 button right there when it came up with error, because you have to put something in before you push the button. Let's say we want to take the log of 0.0107. You enter that term in first, then you click log base 10, and that's going to read out your answer. So take some time now. If you're an iPhone user, then great for you. If not, take a couple minutes, get familiar with where these buttons are on your calculator.